Hi. This week I'm talking about effective meetings, and whilst meetings should always be effective, there's an added complexity when you're leading a hybrid team. Some people are co-located, some people are joining remotely, and some people are in different time zones. And I've talked about asking the question, do we need this meeting? And I've talked about planning a meeting and being absolutely clear about the intent. The other thing that leaders have to be when they're leading a hybrid team is excellent facilitators. And that includes managing the start and end of meetings. I talked yesterday about trying to keep meetings to the minimum duration you need to achieve the outcomes. And I've always been a stickler for meetings starting on time, in light of the courtesy for the people who have turned up on time, who now have to sit and wait for the stragglers. Now, some people will have genuine reasons for not joining a meeting at the specified time, but you know the people that do it all the time and never turn up. The added thing when you're dialing into it or joining a meeting remotely, whatever platform you're using, and you're on time and all you see is a blank screen, or you're looking back at yourself saying, the facilitator will join you when the meeting starts, and you're like, well, it should have already started. Do not leave people in a waiting room. If the meeting is delayed because there's people who haven't joined yet, open up the meeting. Explain why there's a delay to the start of the meeting. Use the opportunity to reach out and say, how are things going? How are you feeling? How is hybrid working for you? Use the time. Don't just leave people waiting. Because it just adds to the fatigue of waiting for a meeting to start. The other thing is digitize it. Use the technology that's available to you. Yes, we've had Zoom. Yes, we've had MS Teams. But start having a look at the companies that have thrown down the gauntlet now for communication and collaboration. Look at Project Starline. Look at that's Google. Look at Microsoft Mesh. Look at Facebook Horizons Workrooms. That's what's coming, and that's what you need to be across as the leader of a hybrid team if you're going to have effective meetings. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.